chocolate peanut Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Since last week's carrot cake video was a little bit more labor intensive, I thought that this week's recipe should be really quick and easy, meaning it'll take no more than 15 minutes to prepare and be ready to eat. So using just 5 simple ingredients that I'm going to put in the description down below so you guys can follow along with me, we are going to be making some delicious and healthy chocolate peanut butter cups. Alright, let's get started. So the first step in making this recipe is to mix up our chocolate base. So for this, all we're going to need is some creamy unsalted peanut butter, vanilla extract, maple syrup, coconut oil, and some cocoa powder. Now we're just going to mix it up. Alright, I've just finished mixing the chocolate base, and here I have a mini cupcake tin that I've just lined with some cupcake liners so we can take our peanut butter cups out quickly. Now I'm just going to start scooping in a thin layer of our chocolate into each of the cupcake tins. Now that I've scooped the chocolate base into each of the cupcake tins and smoothed it out to create a flatter surface, I'm going to put it in the freezer to set while I start working on the peanut butter base. To make our peanut butter base, I've just grabbed another small glass bowl and put in the same amount of peanut butter, coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla extract as we did for our chocolate base. This time I just omitted the cocoa powder. Now, let's mix it all up. Now that our peanut butter base has been fully combined, we can just take our cupcake tins back from the freezer and start scooping in our peanut butter on top. Now that our peanut butter is on top of our chocolate, it's ready to go into the freezer to set. So because we're using coconut oil, it's going to set relatively quickly, so you can enjoy these treats very soon after you make them. Alright, and here is our finished result. These chocolate peanut butter cups are an amazing and delicious alternative for the classic Reese's cup. They're also full of healthy fats, which is why they should be stored in the freezer to make sure that they don't melt. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my guilt-free and delicious recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye guys!